Hi everyone! The Order Email Updates app is a powerful tool that allows you to add a series of emails and send them for various order-related events such as order confirmation, order refund, order canceled, and order fulfillment. With this app, you can easily inform your customers about their orders. Suitable for both funnels and online stores, it offers flexibility and customization options. You can install the app simply and quickly. Go to the Applications area, search for Order Email Updates, and click Install. Or you can access this app from the Order Management section in the Applications area. When you click on the app, there is an installation section for the app and a section that provides you with informative content. You can read the details here. I install my app with the Install App button and follow the installation steps. When the installation is complete, you are greeted with a sequence that comes with default options. After activating this field, you should choose for which funnel or which store it will work for. You should set a descriptive name for it by clicking on the Settings section in this sequence field. Then you should specify the domain name where the Order Email Updates application will run and which funnel or store you want it to run in. After completing all these steps, click Sequence. On the page that opens, you will see 4 mail templates: Order Confirmation, Order Refund, Order Canceled, Order Fulfillment. You can use these templates to communicate with your customers about their orders. You can make the edits you want in the mail templates. There is a control panel on the right side. You can add fields here using the control panel. You can upload your logo by assigning an image element in the fields you added. By changing the text, colors, and fonts in the template, you can customize it according to yourself. You can also translate your template according to the language you use. Now let's see how the most curious features of these templates work. Order confirmation. For your orders that have been paid successfully, a notification email is automatically sent to your customers with order confirmation. In order confirmation, an informative email is automatically sent based on the shopping your customer has done. In the video we made about digital products published earlier, we showed how the order confirmation mail goes when our customer orders a product from us. If you have not watched the videos added into our academy, we recommend you to check. Let's test this with an order. We will pretend to be a customer and order a product from our store. Then we will check the email we received and see how Order Mail Update works. I order a product from my website, complete the purchase steps, and go to my email account to check the incoming email. Here is the email and details about my order. Here is the email and details. Order canceled. We may need to cancel the order for any reason, and we may need to refund our customer. Our next transactions will continue from the order section in the panel. We access the order number of the order made by our customer and go to the order details. We will cancel the incoming order and refund our customer. We click Cancel Order at the top of the order screen and cancel the order. This will be the mail that comes to the customer's email address for order cancellation. Order refund. We will use the refund option at the top of the screen of the same order for the canceled order and the refund of the fee for this order. We enter the quantity to be canceled for the product to be refunded and press the refund button. This will be the mail that the customer will receive for this refund. Order fulfillment. Finally, we will perform the order fulfillment process, which shows that the incoming order has been sent to our customer. We go to the order screen for the order we received and access the relevant order number. Click on the Mark as Fulfilled button to fulfill our order. You can choose the shipping company you send your product from the list here. For tracking your shipment, send the tracking number to your customer and fulfill your order with the Fulfill Items button. This is the mail our customer will receive after fulfilling and completing the order. Increase your interaction with your customers and provide them with details about their orders by using Order Mail Updates application. Lightfunnels Academy continues to grow the panel with the videos we have prepared for Lightfunnels users to work more efficiently and see what they can do using the power of Lightfunnels. We will continue to prepare all the features of Lightfunnels with tutorial videos. You can create stunning websites with dozens of free funnels and store themes that Lightfunnels offers to its users. Thanks to the fast and easy use of the panel, you can create more work in less time. Moreover, Lightfunnels comes with a 14-day trial for new users. Create an account today and build a store or funnels Using the powerful features we offer you, experience the joy of selling.